this is Go Mama. How is everybody today? So we're talking goat milk. So I'm gonna talk to you about what happens when we get inside. So here's my goat milk, my jar, everything. Here is another jar, and I have a strainer, and everybody has this if you can. I have hot water here with some soap in it. We're going to take this apart. We are going to run this under hot water. And I'm going to put it in my bowl. And see how the milk comes out. Sometimes I do some scrubbing on it. Not usually. Usually I can just rinse it right off. Okay, and then I'm going to put it in my little bowl here. Let it all get soaked. Nice. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and put it through here, through this strainer. And see how it gets all the little stuff from in there. And guys, pop a lid on it, and you are good to go for your goat milk. Now this is non-pasteurized. Different process when you pasteurize. Pasteurize is heating it up, and not to a boil, almost to a boil, and then letting it cool fairly quickly, putting it in a bath ice, and then putting it in the fridge. We do not pasteurize our milk. We drink it just like it is. Unless it needs to be pasteurized for some apparent reason. We're not selling it or anything. So unless it, we were selling it or something like that. But we're not selling it. So it's just for our consumption. So I'm doing this as a process because 5-minute intervals is enough for y'all to watch, get the gist of what I actually do in the process of what goes on as I'm milking. So I'm, trying to keep it nice and short, nice and sweet for y'all. You guys have a great day. Subscribe, like, and hit that little bell. Okay, this is Go Mama signing off for today. Toodles.